Okay, hello everyone. Hello, can you see me well? Can you hear me well? Okay, great. All right, guys, so how are you doing? How was your weekend? Sophia, anything to share? Okay, that's great. Hannah, what about you? Okay, that's wonderful. All right. Jane, anything you have to share? Okay, yeah, that's quite sweet. All right. And Alex, what about you? Oh, that's quite unfortunate. Yes, we all can relate to this situation. Everybody has this kind of day sometimes. Yes. I hope your next week will be better though. Mine? Yeah, mine was great also. Thank you for asking, Jane. Okay. All right, guys. So, first thing first, I would like to review what you have done for the homework. So, let's start from Jane. Could you please remember what kind of events we had in chapters 3 and 4, the ones you read at home? Okay, great. Sophia, anything you want to add? Yes, that's right. Okay. And when we're talking about your writing task, Alex, could you please tell me what scene you decided to describe in your writing task and for what reason? Mm-hmm. All right, great. And Jane, what about you? What scene have you decided to describe? Okay, yeah, that's also great. Okay, well done. And also, let's remember what kind of grammar have we repeated last time. What was it? Some kind of tenses. What tenses? Any ideas? Hannah, maybe you? Present perfect and past continuous. Yes, definitely. Okay. Sophia, maybe you could remind me when do we use present perfect? In which situations? Yes, definitely. Okay. And Jane, what about past continuous? When do we use it? Yeah, that's right. But we have also one other case when we can use past continuous. Alex, maybe you can help us? Yeah, well done. Okay, great job. Great job. So, today we will read part of chapter 5 of Harry Potter and Prisoner of Azkaban. So, we still follow the same book, but the next chapter. And also, you will write a summary essay, but about that a bit later. So, when it comes to what we will do right now, is as I mentioned just now, you will read a part of chapter 5, then you will do a summary completion task, and then share what you have read with your partner in breakout groups. First of all, we have not performed this type of task yet, I mean the summary completion one, but maybe some of you haven't experienced in it. Jane, yes, you have? Okay, great. So could you please briefly, in 2 words, explain what is summary completion task? What does it look like? Mm-hmm. Okay, wonderful. Yes, so this is basically it. Nothing too complicated, but still, I would like to show you an example. Just let me share my screen. And here it is. Okay, do you see it well? Great. So this is how it will look like. You will have your piece of text, your reading passage, and then you will have such type of task. So this is just a gapped summary, quite small summary, nothing to be afraid of, it will be small. And then you have the list of words. Of course, you have more words than needed, so it will complicate things a little bit, but I'm pretty sure that you will manage. It's nothing too scary, nothing too hard, so nothing like this. Okay, so first of all, right now you will be divided into 2 groups. Each group will receive different parts of chapter 5, but you will be working on your own, so it doesn't matter with which person you are in group. So right now I'm sending into our chat the link to your document, the document with the reading passage and with the summary task. what you need to do is to open the document. It will automatically create a copy, so you will be able to edit it, because if it would be only one document, then every person would edit it and it's not going to work out like this. So it will automatically copy itself, and you will be able to start reading and do the summary task. And for that, you will have 13 minutes. Okay, so right now, please follow the link I sent in the chat and let me know if everything works well. Okay, great, all right. Okay, so as I said, 15 minutes, I'm gonna set the timer so you're gonna see it, and good luck. Okay, great. Now, as you have finished your reading, I will send you into breakout rooms where you're gonna work in pairs, and your task will be to explain what you have read to your partner. You may use your summary task for that, if that will make it more convenient. But the main point in here is so your partner will understand this part of chapter which you have read. So both of you will have the knowledge of both parts of the chapters. Okay? Okay, for the discussion, you will have 5 minutes. I do not think you need more than that. So just give me a second. I'm gonna send you into breakout rooms, and if you have any questions, you may ask them now. You don't. Okay, that's quite clear. All right. So, sending you into breakout rooms, and good luck. I will explain you what to do with this information a bit later. Okay? Great, wonderful.